blower or Countach scissor door that goes straight up and down. And this Bugatti is one of the only cars they ever made with these types of doors.
$1,000.
I don't want to pick you up. This one is carbon 4. Manual gearbox. 3 pedals. Yeah.
Oh.
Super sport gadget right here. And this is the peach wall. That's right, ladies and gentlemen.
There's nothing household-wise.
For sure, give you guys the lowdown. Again, this is a one take. We have a one take enjoying a little bit of time off and then coming back to edit the videos. So we're going to have a crazy video fully edited for you guys tomorrow morning. But I appreciate you watching these one takes. I hope you guys like them. And this is the gentleman's Instagram right here. You guys can give him a follow and you'll see plenty more of the Bugatti EB110. So, Mr. Alpha Lux.
Yeah, so this car, focus on a single. It was so this car was finished by Joachim Dauer of the Dauer 962. The Dauer 962 actually won them outright. So this was built by a racing team, and the engine changes in the MOSFET supposed to be at about 740 horsepower.
So 740 on this V12.
In 1994.
In 1994. Can we get you to just start it up? I know it's not that impressive, but I think
at low RPMs, you know, it's quiet, it's very civilized. You really don't hear the character of the car of the engine until it gets to about 4,000, 5,000 RPM. But absolutely, I'd love to.
All right, let's fire it up.